Welcome to 2025, aka the year I finally declutter my life, meaning my room, which I have a lot of hobbies. If you can't tell from this account, Crocheted by Vivi. Crocheting is one of them. And yarn has taken over my whole life. So I figured vlogging the process of decluttering my yarn collection and organizing everything would give me the motivation to actually do it, because I've been saying for months that I would do this. So welcome to seeing that process. It's gonna be so much fun. But also welcome back to my channel. Everything is crochet related, basically, since my rebrand. This intro is not gonna be that long. Let's just jump on in. I've got two stashes of yarn. One is this basket from when I first started crocheting, and that basket has gotten so tangled up that I don't think any of the yarn is recoverable. And it breaks my heart to throw away yarn, but it's like I have tried to detangle it and I can't do it. So I think I just need to give up and get rid of this yarn, which is so sad, but it's just taking up space at this point because I can't use it. And then my other stash is on my dresser, and it's a little more organized, but it doesn't look organized. Like, I know where it is, but it's kind of overflowing. So I've got plans for this. First, we're gonna go through the tangled yarn, see what is salvageable, throw away what's not, and use that basket for finished projects that are overflowing everywhere. So still gonna use my cute basket for crochet, but not for yarn anymore because that didn't work. Everything got jumbled. And then I think I want to buy bed risers because my bed is really low to the floor, and store either yarn or clothes under my bed. I haven't decided yet. Like the clothes that aren't for this season, store under my bed, and maybe get like some kind of dresser hutch to put out in the hallway outside my room. I'll have to run that by my roommates. Do that for yarn. I'm not sure yet, but that's the plan. Let's start with the tangled up yarn because that is what I know what I'm gonna do with. So let's tackle that first. The basket in all her glory. There's also finished projects on top of it and random things that I did not make. See, look how, like, that's not the same yarn as that, and I cannot get it out. But it's so much yarn, it's so sad. But it has to go.
I'm a little nostalgic, what can I say? Wishing for simpler days. Summer spent on playground swings or splashing around in the creek. My parents took good care of me, my sisters kept me company. We never needed anything, and I'm so grateful for everything. And if I want to go...
Okay, so here's the yarn that proved to be salvageable, which I was pleasantly surprised by. It was a lot more than I expected. And this is the messy yarn that I cannot detangle. So it's going in a trash bag. I'm gonna see if I can give it away for free if there's anyone who enjoys untangling yarn, because I hate to throw all of this away, but I can't do it, so I can't have it taking up space. Hi, future Vivi with an update on that big ball of yarn. So I posted on my Instagram a little reel asking if anybody wanted it, and I got some offers. So I gave it to the first person to DM me. I sent it off a couple days ago. I should have vlogged all of that, but I forgot to when I was at the post office because the post office stresses me out. So, but yeah, there was a taker. So hopefully she's gonna be have some fun detangling all of that yarn, because it was quite a bit, and I'm glad that somebody wanted to, because I did not want to throw away so much yarn. So I'm glad that I posted and asked that, and yeah, turns out there's a lot of people who like to do that. So if I ever end up in that situation again, I know what to do. But yeah, just thought I'd let y'all know that little piece of information.
Mine sounds like Willie Nelson playing on a 60s radio station, driving down I-35, happy just being alive.
So this is my other yarn stash. Now I've combined all of that. It's really overflowing. I put all the salvageable yarn there because it's gonna have to go there for now until I get something to store all this yarn in, because at first these were working and now it's chaos. So I need to look for something to put this in. For now, I think I'm gonna go around my room and just collect all of the trash in all the drawers, because I just know this thing, which is covered in makeup right now, probably has so much junk in those drawers. And so we're just gonna collect trash around my room.
If I wanna relive those days, I grab a record and just hit play, and I'm there instantly. Music is my favorite time machine.
I am now scouring Facebook Marketplace for some kind of dresser or something to hold my yarn out in the hallway. We'll see what I find. I'm a little scared of Facebook Marketplace, but let's look. Bro, this is only $10. I like this one too. Wait, this is kind of cute. Like little shells. They're rustic looking. So I just remembered my mom, I probably didn't need my mom to tell me this, but that I shouldn't go pick up things from Facebook Marketplace by myself, because you never know who these people are. So I think I'm gonna order some drawers on Amazon, which I hate to do. I'd rather buy some used ones, but safety first. This is what I think I'm gonna get. Look how cute. It's like fabric drawers, but it's cheaper that way, but it looks kind of cute and not a bad price, and it'll get here tomorrow. So let's just go ahead and order this. Update on the yarn organization. So I ordered those drawers. It turns out I was wrong. They won't be in until Monday. So I went ahead and reorganized some of my closet, did a bunch of laundry. Didn't film that because that's not as exciting. I just really did laundry. And combined some crochet supplies in one spot because it's going to go into the drawers. So hopefully there will be more room in my closet when those drawers come in. But anyway, yeah, so just waiting on the drawers. So we'll do that Monday. It's currently Friday. I'm wondering if the delay has to do with the fact that it's been snowing all day. Look. So pretty. I'm from Texas originally, so we would never get snow like this. It's so pretty. It's fun for like a day, and then I want to be able to go outside and drive places. But yeah, so stay tuned. And hopefully in the next clip, I'll have some new yarn drawers. Okay, so it's Tuesday and the drawers still haven't come in yet, which I kind of expected because of the snowstorm this weekend, but they should be here by tonight. So I'm just gonna go ahead and clear a space for them and finish tidying up around my room so that I'm ready to fix that mess. So let's tackle this. I probably won't show too much of it because it's not gonna be that interesting, but yeah.
Now I'm living far from home in a city out here on my own, chasing all my hopes and dreams with the guitar that really needs new strings. Every day I call my mom and I play my family each new song. They don't seem as far.
The moment we've been waiting for. It's here. Okay, let's open up this box and see what we're working with. Don't know what this is yet. I think it's the top. I hope I don't need any like crazy tools for this because I don't have that. I have a hammer and that's about it. Okay, let's see if I can assemble this.
When I'm singing on that lonely stage, and when I want to go back, I turn on my childhood soundtrack. Mine sounds like Robert Earl Keen and a player that only has one CD at Gigi and Granddad's house on a lake down in the south. If I want to relive those days, I grab a record and just hit play.
So the drawers are done. They're all put together. And the whole thing is shorter than I expected, but it's a pretty good size. And was fairly easy to put together. So if you're looking for some small storage space for your yarn, I will link these in I'll put them in my Amazon storefront and put the link in the description below. So, because they were pretty easy to put together. They came with all the tools that you needed to put it together. So I'd recommend them. It was a good process. So now all that's left to do is put the yarn in the drawers. So I think I'm just going to categorize it by putting like heavier weighted yarn here and lighter weighted yarn here, and just kind of eyeballing it and doing it that way. Since it's just two drawers, I think that's the easiest way to categorize it. So let's get the yarn out and start sorting.
And I'm there instantly. Music is my favorite time machine. If you ever wanted to go back, every childhood has its own soundtrack. Mine sounds like Patsy Cline, my sister singing every line on a road trip to a Texas beach. Madeline sitting next to me. If I want to relive those days.
Okay, and that's done. Now I'm gonna dust up there and organize it. And you don't need to see that, but I'll show you all the before and after, and it's gonna go crazy.
Grab a record and just hit play, and I'm there instantly. Music is my favorite time machine.
And that is all that I have for y'all. I am so happy I did this video. It really helped me have the motivation to finally sit down and do this, order the drawers, organize everything. It's so much better. Y'all, every part of my room is better. I don't know if I showed y'all this corner before, but it was crazy. And I know that there's still like the stuffing over there. I don't really have a spot for that, but it was yarn everywhere over there. So my whole room looks so much better. I dusted. I just really needed this. So perfect way to start the year. So thank you for joining me and giving me the motivation to do this. I hope it's been at least somewhat entertaining for y'all to see me organize everything. Feel free to like and subscribe if you enjoy crochet content. I have tutorials and vlogs and all the things that you can watch just while you crochet. So yeah, I hope I see you next time. Bye.
Music is my favorite.